Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add music to your videos using the CapCut desktop app. I walk you through the entire process step by step. Let's get started. You have two options. Option A. Use CapCut's built-in music library. Click the audio. Browse through CapCut's music collection. Once you find a track you like, click the download icon next to it. Then drag and drop the downloaded track onto the audio layer of the timeline. Link it with your video however you like. Some tracks might be restricted by copyright, especially on social platforms. Be cautious if you're planning to upload a video online. Option B. Import your own audio. Go back to the Media tab, click Import, and select your audio file from your computer. Once imported, drag and drop it onto the audio track in the timeline. Use the hand lens on the edge of the audio track to trim or extend the duration. To change the volume, click the audio clip, then adjust the volume slider on the right panel. You can also add fade in or fade out effects to smooth out the start or end of your track. Once you're happy, click Export button. Choose your preferred resolution, format and bitrate. Then hit export again to save your final video to your device. And that's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.